What's going on, guys? 901 Auto here, back again with yet another shop video. I know I'm kind of hitting you hard with shop videos, but you got to have shop time to have play time. And today I finally got in something I've been wanting ever since I bought this foiler. It's nothing too crazy, but I've always wanted them and they look sick. And that is the Khaos off-road Lightbar headlights. They are going to look absolutely killer on this thing. As far as the install, I'm not going to do a time lapse because there's not going to be much that will look kind of cool on a time lapse. But I will tell you, all you're going to need is a 10 mil for back there, some Phillips head screws right there, and Phillips head screw right there. And there's one that you kind of got to get from over here that goes up, and then the headlight just pretty much falls out. Once I get these headlights out and the other ones, I'll kind of go over a little bit about the headlights, how they fit in there. And yeah, I will pick y'all back up once I get these stock headlights out. Okay, so I've got the passenger side out. I decided I'm going to try and do this one-handed just to kind of show y'all the process if y'all are interested in doing this. Super easy. Anybody can make this upgrade, make this swap. You got these two Phillips heads right here. Get that out. It's kind of hard to see, but there is a Phillips head right there that you are going to have to get out. And last but not least, this 10 mil right here. Get that out. And oh, I forgot one. One more Phillips head right here. Of course, you know, I gotta miss the one that's right in front of my face. Now, just wiggle that on out of there. In here. Not worried about pulling the bulb out, so just pop that regular little plug out. Just like any old headlight that you've ever changed in your life. And yeah, now it's time to get these back in the four-wheeler, and I will pick you all up in just a second. Alright everyone, we got the lights installed on both sides. They look absolutely killer. Definitely worth the wait that I had to wait on them. I didn't really film how to put them in because it's pretty self-explanatory and it was kind of hard to do one-handed. If I wanted to, you just got two Phillips heads there and then the two Phillips heads up top. If I had to say anything at all negative about them, it would be that they don't have like a bar coming off here just to bolt to that upright, just to give it a little bit more rigidity, because it really is just this plate of metal and these light bars being held on by these little screws into the plastic. But so many people run these lights and I've never really heard of anybody having any issues out of them. So I don't think that's gonna be a major issue. Process is the same for both sides. The plugs plug right into the factory plugs. Got the wires all tied up. The only thing else I'm going to do, just because it's going to annoy me, is I'm going to disconnect the light up here. Once I put the radio up here, it became useless anyways. And these actually have high and low beam built into them. So this will be turned on and off, and it is kind of annoying. So I'm going to do that, but I know you can't see much just for the simple fact of the camera, but they are super bright. They look super good. That was high beam, and as you can see, maybe, hello, all right, kills the bottom one when you put it on low beam. But yeah, super happy with the fit and finish, the quality of it. is amazing. Just like the quality of the radiator relocate was amazing. Everything fit well. Didn't have to struggle to get anything lined up. So yeah, I will get the pod light or whatever you want to call it on the handlebars. I'll get it disconnected. Then I will pull it out in the yard and do a light test on it. And I will see y'all then. I guess I'll do a little walk around. Just looks like a giant ball of light. But yeah, and then you got a little dry bag, but the light on the back does definitely help out a ton for backing up trails at night to hook people up. But anyways, thank y'all again so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And until next time, I'll see y'all later.